Magandang hapon po, Yuma! Rise, shine anywhere! One more time, rise, shine anywhere!
Okay na yung mga tito natin. Let's go!
Maraming beses na kitang nilayasan, iniwanan at ibang pinuntahan. Parang babaeng ang hirap talagang malimutan. Ikaw lamang ang aking laging binabalikan.
Patay ka dyan, ha?
Manila, Manila, I keep coming back to Manila. Simply no place like Manila. Manila, I'm coming home. I walk the streets of San Francisco. I've tried to ride in Disneyland. Dated a million girls in Sydney.
Sigurado maganda.
Somehow I feel like I don't belong. Hinahanap kita, Manila. Ang ingay mo kay sarap sa tenga. Mga jeepney mong nagliliparan, mga babae mong nagagandahan. Take me back in your arms, Manila, and promise me you'll never let go. Promise me you'll never let go. Manila, Manila, I keep coming back to Manila. Simply no place like Manila. Manila, I'm coming home. Woo! Kayo na! Woo! Yuma!
Rise, shine,
Anywhere! 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Hanap kita, Manila. Ang ingay mo kay sarap sa tenga. Mga jeepney mong nagliliparan, mga babae mong nagaganda. Take me back in your arms, Manila, and promise me you'll never let go. And promise me you'll never let go. Manila, Manila, please you at Manila. No place in the world like Manila. I'm coming home to stay. Yeah! Woo! Sayonara!
Sayawa!
That's it!
Let's
Woo!
go!
Iba pang sasarap sa pagtitinginan natin. Sana ay di na magwakas itong awit ng pag-ibig. Awit langit ay wag na wag mong kalimutan. Pangako ko naman ay lagi kang pakikinggan. Magpakailanman. Everybody! Woo! Walang iba pang sasarap sa pagtitinginan natin. Sana ay di na magwakas itong awit ng pag-ibig. Awit natin ay wag na wag mong kalimutan. Pangako mo naman ay lagi kang pakinggan. Ang isang pag-ibig ay parang lansangan na pagdalawahan. Kaya't sa ating awit tayo ay magbigayan. Awitin mo at isasayaw mo. Awitin mo at isasayaw mo. Awitin mo at isasayaw mo. Awitin mo at isasayaw mo.
Rise, shine, anywhere!
Sigaw tayo, sigaw tayo. You Mac rise
Shine,
anywhere. Sabay, sabay. You Mac
Mac
rise.
shine, anywhere!
Sabay, sabay. You Mac rise.
Shine, anywhere!
Salamat po.
Thank you, Yumak!
Ah, ang kasunod po si Mr. Alex Pahayahay. Galing po rin.
Yan!
Hello, CCS! Hello, Yuma! Let's continue party, come on! Sabayan niyo ako. Hey! Para sa mga nagmamahal, hey! Tayo ay matanda na, sana'y di tayo magbago. Kailanman, nasaan man ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo ba kaya ako'y hakan at yakapin? Sa pagtanda natin, everybody! Nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako ba kaya ibigin mo? Kahit mabuti na ang buhok ko. Pagdating ng araw, ang iyong buhok ay puputi na rin. Sabay tayo mangangarap ng nakaraan natin. Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ko'y lagi sa inyo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko. Hey! Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ko'y lagi sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko. Pagdating ng araw, ang iyong buhok ay puputi na rin. sabay tayo mangangarap ng nakaraan. Everybody! Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako na ang pag-ibig ko'y lagi sa'yo. Kahit mabuti na ang buhok ko, kahit mabuti na ang buhok ko, kahit mabuti na ang buhok ko. Our next performer, Sir Pelayo, Sir Blanco, and Sen Gamboa!
Shout out kay HSU! Mga HSU natin! Nasa kayo? Wag po kayo magkagulo mamaya. Autograph. Saan lang kayo? Woo!
Kung sana ang tulong mo sa unan, katawan mo ay aking kukumutan. Mga problema'y iyong malilimutan. Hawak tayo'y magkayakap sa dilim. Katawan mo ay sana'y guminhawa. Mga problema, magsigarilyo muna. Bago tayo magkayakap sa dilim. Heto ang pinakahihintay natin. O heto na tayo magkayakap sa dilim. Oh, kay sarap ng mga nakaw na sandali. Habang tayo'y magkayakap sa dilim.
Hi, fans! Isang A! Habang tayo'y magkayakap sa dilim. Ito na ang pinakahihintay natin. O heto na tayo magkayakap sa dilim. O kay sarap ng mga yakaw na sandali. Habang tayo'y magkayakap sa dilim. Halika na at sumibig ka sa kama. Nasapin natin sa lahat ng pagsasama. Sa ating pag-ibig, tayo ay umasa. Habang tayo'y magkayakap sa dilim. Okay, matinig na! Thank you, HSU!
Yung susunod na kanta si Che Soleta. Thanks you guys.
Di ba may beer pa?
Hello, Yuma! Chill lang tayo ngayon. Kilig-kilig lang. Kung alam niyo yung song, sabayan niyo ako. we lost it all, and so did I. Even if I lost you, I would feel the same. I will love you till they take my heart away. Believe I'm here to stay. I will love you till they take my heart away. Ooh, no, no, no. No, we're stronger than before. We've made it through. I've never felt more sure because of you. Hey now, are you listening? Can you hear me say, I will love you till they take my heart away. Believe I'm here to stay. I will love you till they take my heart away. Sabayan niyo ako, guys! Believe in me. I'm here to stay. I will love you till they take my heart away. I will love you till they take my heart away. I will love you till they take my heart away. Pinapakilala ko ang susunod na singer, ang Adele ng Yumak! Thank you. Si Juris po yun. Good evening, Yumak! Mapuno. When the rain is blowing in your face and the whole world is on your case, I could offer you a warm embrace to make you feel my love. When the evening shadows and the stars appear, and there's no one there to dry your tears, I could hold you for a million years to make you feel my love. I know you haven't made your mind up yet, but I would never do you wrong. I go hungry, I go black and blue. I go crawling down the avenue. No, there's nothing that I wouldn't do to make you feel my love. Ooh, oh. The storms are raging on the rolling sea and on the highway of regret. The winds of change are blowing wild and free. You ain't seen nothing like me yet. I'd make you happy, make your dreams come true. Nothing that I wouldn't do. Go to the ends of the earth for you to make you feel my love. To make you feel my love. Thank you, Yumak. And now please welcome Dr. Lambohon.
Good evening, Yumak.
People say that I'm a fool, well I don't know. At least I found out what it takes to be strong. I was dreaming all day long and drifting clouds. With eyes wide open, I choose not to see. Now I don't wanna see you anymore. Don't wanna want to play your game. Not even if you smile, your sweetest smile. Not even if you beg me, darling, please. Not even if you sweetest smile. Darling, please say good morning to the world. I hope you like it. Take good care of all the things that we had. I've been looking for the day for so long now. Seems like everything must come to an end. Now I don't wanna see you anymore. Don't wanna see you want to play your game. Not even if you smile, your sweetest smile. Not even, darling, please. See you anymore. Don't wanna be the one to play your game. Not even if you smile your sweetest. Not even if you beg me, darling, please. Time after time, nothing that I can do. Knowing your ways and loving your ways, but nothing to do it all. Day after day, leaving the past behind. wanna see you anymore. Don't wanna be the one to play your game. Not even if you smile your sweetest smile. Not even if you beg me, darling, please. Not even see you anymore. Don't wanna be the one to play your game. Not even if you smile your sweetest smile. Not even if you beg me, darling, please. Thank you! Yung mga thank you! Now, ang susunod ay si Sir Blanco and si Sir Gamboa.
Hello, it's you. Sing with us, guys. Alam niyo to, beer. Sing with us.
Siyempre, alam nyo yan, di ba?
Nais kong mapakalasing
Yan, ang mga gusto nyo.
dahil wala ka na. Nakatingin sa salamin at nag-iisa. Nakatanim pa rin ang gumamelang binalik mo sa'kin nang tayo'y maghiwalay. Ito'y katulad ng damdamin ko kahit buhusan mo ng beer, ayaw pang mamatay. Giliw, huwag mo sanang limutin ang mga araw na hindi sana naglaho. Mga anak at bahay nating pinaplano, lahat ng ito'y nawala nung iniwan mo ko. Kaya ngayon, ibuhos na ang beer sa akin lang lamunan upang malunod na ang puso ko nahihirapan. Bawat patak, anong sarap, ano ba talagang mas gusto ko? Ang beer na to, ang pag-ibig ko. Nais kong magpakasabog dahil olats kayo. Kahit ano hihit-hitin, kahit ang mucho, kukuha ko ng beer at ipapakulo sa kaldero't lalapin ang usok nito. Lahat ay aking gagawin upang hindi ko na isipin nag-iisa na ako. Ibuhos na ang beer sa aking lalamunan upang malunod na ang puso kong
Ang beer na to,
ang pag-ibig.
ang beer na to, ang beer na to, ang pag-ibig mo.
Thank you! Thank you! The next performer is Miss Sinead Don't Care.
Good evening, you. Good evening po. HSU, ABM and Languages Family. Pagkatasa mo.
Sa buhay kong ito, aming pangarap lang ang iyong pagmamahal ay makamtan. Kahit na sandali kita ay mamasdan, ligaya'y tila pa walang hanggan. Sana'y di na magising kung nangangarap man din, kung ang buhay na makulay ang tatahakin. Minsan ay madarapa, minsan di na iluluha, di ka na maninindig, pagkat sa buhay mo ay may nagmamahal pa rin. Ingatan ka, aalagaan ka, sa puso ko ikaw ang pag-asa. Sa ating mundo may gagabay sa'yo, ang alay ko ito, pagmamahal ko. May nagmamahal, aakay sa'yo. Aking inay, ikaw ang nagbigay ng buhay ko, buhay na kay ganda. Pangarap ko na makamtan ko na. Sana'y di na magising kung nangangarap man din, kung ang buhay na makulay ang tatahakin. Minsan ay madarapa, minsan di na iluluha, di ka na maninindig, pagkat sa buhay mo ay may nagmamahal pa rin. Ingatan ka, aalagaan ka, sa puso ko ikaw ang pag-asa. Sa ating mundo may gagabay sa'yo, ang alay ko ito, pagmamahal ko. May nagmamahal, aakay sa'yo. Aking inay, ikaw ang nagbigay ng buhay ko, buhay na kay ganda. Pangarap ko na makamtan ko na.
Hello. Hello, Yumak! Itong kantang to para sa mga nagmamahal.
Go, Sir Lester!
Di man araw-araw na nakangiti, ilang beses na rin tayong humihindi. Di na mapigil ang ating mga ampunan. Away ba't di natin di na namamalayan? Heto tayo, ngunit sa huli palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mo, iyo ako. Everybody! Palagi.
Paborito kong misyonan. Pagnapagilan ng ingay at ng gulo, di ko babalik ngiti mo sa mundo.
Everybody sing!
Oh, heto tayo.
Ah, ito na! Sa huli, palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli, palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mo, iyo ako. Sa pagdating ng ating dilak at ginto,
Diamante may mabuti, ikaw pa rin aking bituin.
natatangi kong dalangin hanggang sa huling siglo. Wala ba kayong mga kamay? Eyo!
Para sa may mga palagi dyan, palaging may kaaway.
Now everybody sing, okay? Here we go, chorus! 1, 2! Sa huli, palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli, palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mo, iyo ako. Chorus part, ladies and gentlemen, go!
Sa huli, palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo.
mahal sa huli palagi. Pipiliin kong maging sa'yo, ulit-ulitin man. Nais kong malaman mo, iyo ako. Yung Mac, sabay-sabay. Para
Thank you, Yuma. Next performers, Sir Mark and Miss Cams.
Hello! Miss Saigon.
You are sunlight and I'm moon, joined by the gods of fortune, midnight and high noon, sharing the sky. We have been blessed, you and I.
You are here like a mystery. I'm from a world that's so different from all that you are. How in the light of one night did we come so far?
Outside, day starts to dawn.
Your moon still floats on high.
The birds away,
The skies shine too.
my hands still shake,
I'll reach for you,
and we meet in the sky. You are sunlight and I'm moon, joined here, brightening the sky with the flame of love, made of sunlight, moonlight.
On the other side of the earth, there's a place where life still has worth. I will take you.
I'll go with you.
You won't believe all the things you see. I know 'cause you see them all with me.
If we're together, that's when we'll hear it again. A song.
cry that tells us love goes on and on, laid on a solo saxophone, telling me to hold you tight and dance like it's the last night of the world. Dreams were all I ever knew. Dreams you won't need when I'm through. Anywhere we may be, I will sing with you a song. Played on a solo saxophone. So stay with me and hold me tight and dance like it's the last night of the world. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Put your hands up in the air for Mr. Vince Barcelona!
Yes! Just my.
I have often dreamed of a far-off place where a hero's welcome will be waiting for me, where the crowds will cheer when they see my face, and the voice keeps saying, "This is where I'm meant to be." I'll be there someday. If I can the distance, I will find my way. If I can be strong, I know every mile will be worth my while. When I go the distance, I'll be right where I belong. Down an unknown road to embrace my fate, and 1,000 roadmate it will lead me to you, and 1,000 years will be worth the wait. Though it take a lifetime, but I'll never coming back, and I won't look back. I can go the distance, I will stay on track. No, I won't accept defeat. It's an uphill slope, but I won't lose hope till I go the distance and my journey is complete. by his heart. I am on my way. I can go the distance. I'll be there someday. If I can be strong, I know every mile will be worth the while. If I go the distance and my journey is complete, till I go the distance and I find where I belong. Thank you. Defying Gravity, Sir June Hebrew.
Lilang! Patalastas muna tayo. Very, very fast lang. Kaya pa ba? Kaya pa? Okay, may trivia lang ako. Alam nyo bang mga nasa around 6,000 na tayo dito? Palakpakan nyo naman yung mga sarili nyo. And you're still here. Maraming maraming salamat. Excuse lang, kasi kanina in-announce ko yung mga taga-nursing, yung mga naka-green in case medyo hindi okay yung pakiramdam nyo, lapitan nyo lang sila. May nakikita ako doon, dito, ayun, sila. At kung hindi nyo talaga kakayanan, nandito yung ating medic sa gilid. Okay, so enjoy lang tayo, enjoy lang kayo dyan, sit back, I think narinig ko, andito na yata si Kimo. So, wait lang. So, tapusin natin yung iba pang performance. Okay, okay ba yun? Okay, dahil dyan, ibibigay ko na sa inyo si Sir Hebrew!
Something has changed within me. Something is not the same. I'm through with playing by the rules of someone else's game. Too late for second guessing. Too late to go back to sleep. It's time to trust my instincts. Close my eyes and leap. It's time to try defying gravity. I think I'll try defying gravity, and you won't pull me down. I'm through accepting limits, 'cause someone says they're so. Some things I cannot change, but till I try, I'll never know. Too long I've been afraid of losing love, I guess I've lost. Well then, if it's love, it comes with much too high a cost. I'd sooner buy defying gravity. I think I'll try defying gravity, and you won't pull me down. Unlimited, together we're unlimited. Together we'll be the greatest team there's ever been. Lester, I know it sounds crazy. I see the visions hazy, but I know someday I'll be flying so high, defying gravity. I think I'll try defying gravity, and you won't pull me down.
told me lately, everyone deserves a chance to fly. And if I'm flying solo, at least I'm flying free. To those who ground me, take a message back from me. Tell them how high I'm defying gravity. I think I'll try defying gravity. Soon I'll match them in renown. And nobody in all of us, no wizard that there is or was, is ever gonna bring me down. Oh. And now, okay, let's give a round of applause to the queen, concert queen herself of HSU, Carmela Malabed!
Hello, Yuma! Good evening, everyone!
Di biro ang sumulat ng awitin para sa'yo. Para akong isang siraulong hilaw at lito. Sa aking pangmina ng piano, tiklado'y pilit nilaro. Kasakaling mayroong tono, bigla na lang umusbong. Tungkol saan naman kayang awitin para sa'yo? Di biro ang gawing sukat, ang titik sa tono. Sampuan aking diksyonaryo kung ang tumay di wasto. Basta't isiping di magbabago, damdamin ko sa inyo. Araw-gabi nasa isip ka, napapanaginip ka, kahit saan magpunta. Araw-gabi nalalasing sa tuwa, kapag kapiling ka, araw-gabi tayong dalawa. Biruin mong nasabi ko ang nais kong pahatid. Dapat mo lamang mapatid, tigman itong dibdib. Tila 10 daang awitin ang natapos kong likhain. Ito ang tunay na damdamin, tanggapin at tingin. Araw-gabi nasa isip ka, napapanaginip ka, kahit saan magpunta. Araw-gabi nalalasing sa tuwa, kapag gabi tayong dalawa. Araw-gabi tayong dalawa. Araw-gabi tayong dalawa. Thank you so much. And now, introducing Miss Lady Dana Pineda of Institute of Psychology.
Hello, good evening. Natakot ko lang.
Okay, up next, let's give a round of applause to Miss Lot de la Cruz from ISDNB.
Thank you. Kasing ganda kayo ng gabi, Yumak! That Arizona sky burning in your eyes. You look at me and babe, I wanna catch on fire. It's buried in my soul like California gold. You found the light in me I couldn't find. So when I'm all choked up and I can't find the words, every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Lovers in the night, always trying to rhyme. Don't know how to rhyme, but damn we tried. But all I really know, where you I wanna go. The part of me that's you will never know. So when I choke myself and I can't find the words, every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Oh, yeah. I don't wanna be just a memory, baby. Yeah. Ooh, 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 then I can't find the words. Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. When you look at me and the whole world fades, I'll always remember us this way. Maraming salamat! Kasunod ko, mga kaibigan, sino ang Stevie Lacorta at si Binibining Cynthia Jose!
Hello, what's up, Yumak? Para sa mga sumusubok, umibig, at paulit na sumusubok, sumubok lang kayo ng sumubok.
I know I stand in line until you think you have the time to spend an evening with me. And if we go someplace to dance, I know that there's a chance you won't be leaving with me. And afterwards we drive into a quiet little place to have a drink or two. And then I go and spoil it all by saying something stupid like I love you. I can see it in your eyes that you despise the same old like you heard the night before. And though
it's just a lot to you. For me, it's true, and everything's alright before.
I practice every day to find some clever lines to say to make the meaning come true. But then I think I'll wait until the evening gets late and I'm alone with you. The time is right, your perfume fills my head, it starts to get red and oh, the night's so blue. And then I go and spoil it all by saying something stupid like I love you.
Time is right, your perfume fills my head, it starts to get red and oh, the night's so blue.
And then I go and spoil it all by saying something stupid like I love you. 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 Thank you, Yumak. Our next performer, Miss Shirley Amutan. Thank you, Yumak Dance for Team.
Hello, Yumak! Come on! You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you. You feel like heaven to touch. I wanna hold you so much. At long last, love has arrived, and I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you. Pardon the way that I stare. There's nothing else to compare. The sight of you leaves me weak. There are no words left to speak. But if you feel like I feel, please let me know that it's real. You're just too good to be true. I can't take my eyes off you. Energy! I love you, baby, and if it's far away, I need you, baby. No one my lonely nights. I love you, baby. Trust in me when I say, oh, pretty baby, don't get me down, don't pray, oh, pretty baby. Now that I found you, stay and let me love you, baby. Let me love you. You're just too good to be true. I can't take my eyes off you. You feel like heaven to touch. Oh, I wanna hold you so much. At long last, love has arrived, and I thank God I'm alive. You're just too good to be true. Can't take my eyes off you. Everybody! Come on! other than the very dynamic Dean of Sight, Dean J. Berganya!
Shout out sa lahat ng Sightsens and HSU students! Para sa inyo to. Night after night, we stay together, sharing lovely moments that spells forever. Day after day, our love grows stronger, growing every minute that we get closer. If we ever have to say goodbye and go our own separate ways, I wouldn't know how to get by on my own. After all the love and passion you have shown, I'll never say goodbye, no matter how they try to show me love won't last if we're prisoners caught in our past. Don't let your tears run dry. No need for you to cry. I promise I will stay. I'm with you all the way. In time we'll soon regret that you and I once met. As long as deep inside I know it's love, not pride, and I will never say, ever say goodbye. I'll never say goodbye. There are no reasons why our souls are so entwined. There is us, not you and I. Our friends will soon forget, forgetting we once met, because we'll show them all with love we can walk tall, and we will never say, ever say And now, let's welcome Dr. Henry Maga!
Thank you, Doc J. Magandang gabi, UMAC. What is life to offer me when I
grow old? What's there to look forward to beyond the biting cold? They say it's typical, yes, stereotypical. What's there beyond sleep, eat, work, and this cruel life? Ain't nothing else round here but human strife. 'Cause they say it's typical, yes, stereotypical. Gotta be conventional, you can't be so radical. So I sing this song to all of my age, for these are the questions we've gotta face. For in this cycle that we go live, we are the ones who are next in line. We are next in line. You're the ones in line. What does life to offer me when I grow old? What's there to look forward to beyond the biting cold? 'Cause they say it's typical, yes, stereotypical. You gotta be conventional, you can't be so radical. Somebody else, I sing this song to all of my age, for these are the questions we've gotta face. For in this cycle that we go live, we are the ones who are next in line. We are next in line. Whoa, we are next in line. And we gotta work, we gotta feel. Let's open our eyes and do whatever it takes. We gotta work, we gotta feel. Let's open our eyes. Oh, whoa, let's sing this song to all of my age, for these are the questions we've gotta face. For in this cycle that we call life, we are the ones who are next in line. Thank you. Sing. Sing this song for me. Sing this song for me. Thank you. Thank you, Maestro and the band. And now, put your hands together for Michael Basilyao.
Para sa may mga alam sa kanta, sabayan nyo si Sir
Hey.
Michael together with me, guys.
We often fool ourselves and say that's love only comes when it's gone. We end up being lonely. So how are we to know that it just isn't so? That we just have to let each other go. There were many times when we shared precious moments, but later realized they were only stolen moments.
So how are we to know that it just wasn't so?
That we just had to let each other go.
Guys, sabayan nyo kami. Loving you
When being happy is all I hope you'll be. Yeah. Then loving you must mean I really have to set you free. Each day we meet, my love for you keeps going stronger, but every time we meet makes leaving you so much harder. So how are we to know that it just wasn't so? That we just had to let each other go. If loving you is all that means to me, when being happy is all I hope you'll be, yeah, then loving you must mean I really have to set you free. Letting go is not an easy time. When smiling feels like I must wear this lonely mask. It hurts deep inside, and I just cannot hide that there's anguish at the thought that we should have to part. If loving you is all that means to me, when being happy is all I hope you'll be, yeah. So loving you must mean I really have to set you free. Loving you is all that means to me. When being happy is all I hope you'll be, then loving you must mean I really have to set you free.
Thank you, guys.
And now let's give it up for our very own President,
Alexur C. Ramos!
Parang ang hina. Ulit. Introduce na ulit. Introduce mo na ulit.
Eto na, sir. Ito na.
Ayan na.
Okay. Ang hindi pa palakpak, hindi makakakain ng chips. Okay. Napaka-rare ng mga pagkakataon na to. Hindi laging kumakanta si President ng ganito. Pinagbigyan niya lang tayo. So, bigyan naman na natin ng napakalakas na palakpakan naman dyan. Show us some love. Okay.
Hindi naman ako papayag na ako lang yung aakyat.
Yes, sir.
Kaya tatawagin ko yung kasama ko sa Mancom, saka si Dean Endy. Tama po kayo sa
Akala ko
akin.
performance to, sir. Bakit ganon?
Ayan,
Of course,
ayan.
kanina nag-perform din VP Carriaga, Yusek Jewel, VP Jewel Bulos, and Yusek Juby. Of course, our VP
Sounds.
Lil Tabu. Okay. Palakpakan natin ito para sa Sweet Caroline. Woo!
Where it began, I can't begin to know when, but then I know it's growing strong. Was in the spring, and spring became the summer. Would have believed you'd come along. Hands touching hands, reaching out, touching me, touching you. Sweet Caroline, good times never seem so good. I've been inclined to believe they never would. Look at the night, and the world seems so lonely. We fill it up with only two. And when I heard burden runs on my shoulders, how can I harm it knowing you? One touching one, reaching out, touching me, touching you. Sweet Caroline, good times never seem so good. I've been inclined to believe they never would. Sweet Caroline, good times never seem so good. Sweet Caroline, I may never need to know. Sweet Caroline, good times never seem so good. Sweet Caroline, never seem so good. I love you, Mark!
I love you, Mark!
Thank you very much. Abangan natin yung mga guest performers natin. Excited na ba kayong makita si Kichi Nadal? She will be here in a couple of minutes, so enjoy the show. Happy 53rd anniversary sa University of Makati. Our next performer, Sir Uno Orebiana.
Yes, palakpakan natin!
Oh, thank you. Good evening, University of Makati! Jopay, kumusta ka na? Lagi kitang pinapanood, nakikita. Jopay, kumusta ka na? Wala rin kasi akong makasusap, makasama. Huwag ka nang mawala, huwag ka nang mawala. Ngayon, dadalhin kita sa aming bahay. Di tayo mag-aaway, alis tayo sa tunay na mundo. Dadalhin kita sa aming bahay. Buti ka ba, lagi kang masaya. Jobay, buti na lang. Nariyan ka, hindi na ako mag-iisa. Come on! Huwag ka na mawala. Huwag ka na mawala. Ngayon, nasa aming bahay, di tayo mag-aaway. Alis tayo sa tunay na mundo. Dadalhin kita sa aming bahay, di tayo mag-aaway. Alis tayo sa tunay na mundo. Sa tunay na mundo. Minsan, makakakita ka ng taong mamahalin mo. Siya, na pag-aalaya mo ng puso mo. Siya, nakasama sa lahat ng plano mo. Siya, na dahilan ng pag-iyak mo. Siya, na dahilan ng bawat mong saya. Siya na kaya mong iuwi sa iyong magulang. Ang problema, hindi naman kayo. Ang problema, hindi niya alam ang pangalan mo. Huwag ka na mawala. Huwag ka na mawala. Ngayon, dadalhin kita sa aming bahay. Di tayo mag-aaway. Alis tayo sa tunay na mundo. Hey! Dadalhin kita sa aming bahay. Di tayo mag-aaway. Alis tayo sa tunay na mundo. Sa tunay na mundo. Ang masakit, mahihirapan ka mag-move on. Mahihirapan ka mag-goodbye. Mahihirapan ka mag-let go. Kasi hindi naman kayo. University of Makati! The next performer is the Department Head of College of Human Kinetics. Let's give it up for Miss Awesome!
University of Makati, Magingay! Let's go! Nadala ang ningin ng mga talay. Nakikita ko sa iyo mga mata. Tala ang ningin ng iyong mga mata'y hinahanap ko sa mga tala. Siguro nga't masyadong mabilis ang pagyanig ng puso ko para sa puso mo. Siguro nga ako ay makulit, ayaw makinig sa takbo ng isip. Hindi ko maipili, tila ko'y nakalutang nasa langit. Ngunit nalulunod sa iyong mga ngiti. At kung hanggang dito lang talaga tayo, hindi pa babayaan na daang tinahagda kapili ka. Kung umabot tayo hanggang dulo, kapit lang ng mahigpit, aabutin natin ang mga ang lingin ng mga talay. Nakikita ko sa iyo mga mata. Ang lingin ng iyong mga mata'y hinahanap ko sa mga tala. Maaari kinabukasan ay mag-iba na ihip ng iyong nais. Ngunit maaari kahit na pansamanta
ako'y nakalutang nasa langit, ngunit nalulunod sa iyong mga kon. At hindi mababayaan ang kung umabot tayo hanggang dulo, kapitan ng mahigpit, aabutin natin ang mga kabot. Ang hingin ng mga talay na ikita ko sa iyong mga mata. Tala, tala, tala. Ang hingin ng iyong mga mata, hinahanap ko sa mga talay. Hindi man ako nilagay sa mundo para sa iyo. Parang nakatingin ang buong daigdig pag ako'y yakap-yakap. Oh, oh, oh. Hindi papabayaan kung umabot tayo hanggang dulo, na mahigpit aabutin natin ang makamot. Ha? Malakas! Alay na, ikita ko sa iyong mga mata. Tala, tala, tala. Ang hingin ng iyong mga matay, hanap ko sa mga tala. Ang hingin ng mga talay na ikita ko sa iyong mga mata. Ang hingin ng iyong mga matay, hinahanap ko sa mga tala. I love you, Yuma! Thank you so much! Pasabog ka! Pasabog ka, Mang Osang! Kahapon lang wala kang dancer! Kahapon sa practice wala kang dancer! Palakpakan naman natin si Mang Osang, di siya ready ngayon! Hindi siya masyadong ready! Thank you so much! Shout out sa student ng BSBA! Yeah, ma'am! Woo! Congratulations, Yuma! Okay. Thank you po. Salamat! So, kanina, nabanggit ni VP Tabo, na as of the moment, tayo ay around nasa 8,000 strong! Palakpakan niyo na ang mga sarili niyo dyan! Nag-e-enjoy pa ba kayo? Okay, niremind ako kanina na pwedeng kainin yung mga chips na binigay sa inyo, ha? Kasi sabi daw sa announcement, bawal kumain, pero within the area, kung gusto nyo nang kainin yan, pwede nyo kainin yan, okay? At dahil dyan, meron tayong panauhing pandangal. Gusto ko malakas ang sigaw pagkasamang palakpakan para sa ating mga bisita who wouldn't make this day possible. Of course, unahin ko na Congressman Keith Peña. Ano yan? Pinakamalakas na ba natin yan? May ilalakas pa ba yan?
Okay. Maraming salamat. Una, siyempre, magbibigay-pugay ako kay PressX at sa buong pamunuan ng University of Makati. Mabuhay po kayo! Congratulations sa inyo at alam nyo naman, sa ganang amin, patuloy ang magiging suporta sa inyo. Lahat po tayo ay taga Makati. Iangat natin ang ating pinakamama na lungsod at siyempre ang aming suporta ay lagi na lamang nasa inyo. Mabuhay po kayong lahat. Maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat po.
Salamat po, sir! Siyempre! Busy pa si sir, wait. Dapat mas malakas na palakpakan. Kailangan ko pa bang i-introduce? Parang hindi na kita kailangan i-introduce, sir. Pa-concert po. Pa-concert. Kasama.
Ang daming bata!
Yes!
Mabuhay ang
San Luis
Yuma!
Tapos!
Okay. Oh, nag-enjoy ba kayo? Enjoy kayo? Sige, mahirap magpatawa dito eh. Ang daming tao, ingay eh. Gutom na ba kayo? O, kainin nyo na yan. Oh, enjoy! Enjoy the concert! Maraming salamat! Maayos ang ating concert! Maayos kayo lahat! Mabuhay kayo at mabuhay lagi ang Makati!
Gusto niyo ba ng song number kay Kong Luis? Song number daw, sir.
Siya, maraming salamat.
Palakpakan naman dyan, isa pa! Okay, so hindi pa tapos ang concert. Dahil hindi naman masyadong nakapag-practice si Kong. Meron pa tayong mga performers. The Yumak Jammers are preparing. Pero, shout out! Okay, magpapasalamat muna tayo sa mga sponsors natin who wouldn't make this possible. Amtech Global Solutions Incorporated, Galena Scale Technologies Corporation, RevLV Solutions, Revolve Solutions Incorporated, First One Education Migration BGC, Scientific Biotech Specialties Incorporated, Skyline Summit Life Insurance Agency Incorporated, A&B Construction Corporation, International Pharmaceuticals Inc., TTEC, HTTEC Power Inc., St. Peregrine Institute, Bacoor, Cavite, and Darao Aguila Football Club. Maraming salamat. And of course, Ikabod still showing Saturday, 2 to 6 p.m. Available ang tickets. Okay, are we ready, Jammers? Hindi pa, magpapa-shoutout ako.